After watching some people online getting freaked out about trying to put on holiday dinners and getting overwhelmed to the point that they're thinking about canceling the whole thing, I thought I'd put out a restaurant tip that will help people put on a dinner without all of the aggravation. Now, a big complaint is that the family members are not contributing to the dinner, they're not getting any help. But a big problem that I see is that the menu is just too big. One lady's family is having her make 12 dishes all by herself. And some of these dishes look pretty complicated. And the reason that this adds a lot to the aggravation is because more dishes means more shopping, more prep, more cleanup, a whole bunch of different dishes that you have to keep hot at the same time. I used to be a prep cook at a restaurant. I've put on Thanksgiving dinner myself. I cook from scratch almost every day, and there was no way I'd try to make a 12-course dinner myself. In fact, it's such a hassle that even successful hoteliers and chefs recommend to restaurant owners to limit their menu.
Offering so many different menu options can make it impossible for the chefs in the kitchen to deliver a consistently high standard of food and on time.
You have got an amazing chance to succeed here if you keep it simple.
I would like you to take the marker pen and strike through everything you're going to take off the menu.
A big menu is a big mistake.
If professional chefs can't manage a big menu, most home cooks shouldn't try to do it either. The way that we put on big meals in the past was that people would bring over side dishes that they'd made. And some of those side dishes were actually pretty easy. People used canned goods, frozen foods, food out of a box. It was just how we ate back then. But if you're cooking everything from scratch, that's a lot more work. Limit the menu to what you can manage.